Yaheetech sent me these chairs, so in this video I want to do a quick assembly and give my first impressions of this. So here's everything that comes in the box. We're going to have the backrest, the seat, the legs, the hardware, and the instructions. So the first thing to do is to grab the backrest and tilt it to the side, and we're going to go ahead and grab the seat and position it right here with the narrower portion facing inwards, and then we can go ahead and screw everything in place. And don't forget to go ahead and put the washer in first. Now it's time to attach the leg and arm, and we're gonna go ahead and grab piece labeled B and place it right on top of over here, and then screw everything in. And then same thing for the other piece. All right, so now we can go ahead and pick the chair up and then do the same thing for the other chair. And there it is. So these chairs are going to be fairly lightweight, and they're also going to be stackable, which makes it easy to go ahead and put away. Now, as far as size goes, the width for here is roughly 19.5 inches, so I still do have plenty of room to go ahead and wiggle around. Now, as far as weight capacity, it's going to hold up to 300 pounds, and that's because it's going to be made of metal. This is going to be an alloy steel, so it's going to be fairly durable. So overall, I'm pretty happy with these chairs. They're going to make a great addition to the deck, or we can even go ahead and put it on the porch if we want to. Now, the only thing missing to make them even more comfortable would be like some seat cushions and maybe like a backrest. But yeah, that's a quick look at the Yaheetech chairs.